doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So today I'm back with another mystery box unboxing. Yesterday I unboxed the Oprah mystery box, so if you guys missed that one, I will be sure to link that down below. But today we're opening up the Tarte mystery box. So the name of this one is the Tarte Cosmetics Mystery Discovery Kit. Oh wait, no, the Mystery Mix-Up Discovery Kit. So I purchased this online from Tarte Cosmetics just a couple of days ago. This came really quickly. So this one's a little pricey. It's $54 and you're supposed to get $130 in value. I just checked and they are still available. So if you're interested after watching this, I'm going to link that down below. And it looks like Ebates works on that site too, so you can get some cash back. If you don't use Ebates, I always leave my Ebates referral code down below and you can get $10 if you sign up. Ebates is great. I'm sure all of you pretty much know that, but if you don't, yeah, link down below or you can ask me any questions. So I don't know exactly what is coming in this box, but they say you're supposed to get 3 full-size products, one of them being a full-size face palette. And then you're supposed to get 2 deluxe size treats, they say, and 1 makeup bag. So it's in this box right here. It's kind of bent up from the shipping process, but hopefully everything is okay inside. So yeah, let's get this open and see if it is worth it. So when I open it up, this is what it looks like. It says, "Hello Tartlet, why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural." And everything is underneath this tissue. There's a sneak peek. Wow, there's a lot of tissue paper, but there's a quick sneak peek. Let's get all this tissue out of the way. Oh wow, so everything, it looks like, actually comes inside a mystery bag. So above the mystery bag, there's just some like paper here. It looks like there's some codes for 15% off. And then there's a little sample here of their creaseless concealer. I think whenever you shop on Tarte's website, you can like choose a sample to be sent with your purchase, and I believe this is what I chose. So I have not tried their creaseless concealer. I have obviously tried the Shape Tape. Well, I shouldn't say obviously, but I think a lot of us have tried the Shape Tape before, so I guess I'll be trying this out soon. But let's move on to the mystery bag. So this is a really cute bag. It's a resealable bag. Gonna grab the first thing I see, and I think this is the makeup. Oh, I just dropped something. So it looks like this is the makeup bag. This is cute. Let me get out of the wrapping so we can look at it a little closer. I like this. It like looks like graffiti. I love all the colors. It has a gold zipper on top, and on the inside it's purple. This is definitely cute. I mean, I have a million zillion makeup bags. A lot of times I put like my giveaway prizes in these, but I think this one's super cute. And then let's move on to the item that fell out of the bag. This is the Tarte Skincare High Performance Naturals Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. So we got some skincare. I have not tried any of these products. The packaging is really cute though, isn't it? Let's get this out. So this is 15 mLs. I'm not sure if this is a full size. After I unbox, I will look up the pricing of everything so we can kind of assess if we got our values worth and all of that. So there is a safety seal, and it looks like a gel. It has a light fragrance. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. It feels nice. A little bit goes a long way. So let's see if there's any claims on this. So it says it's moisturizing, it has hyaluronic acid and squalene, so that is great. Lightweight 12-hour hydration. And just glancing at ingredients I see on here, it doesn't look too bad. And they like crossed out the barcode probably just for like reselling purposes. I get that. So here is our second item, the Tarte moisturizer. Next up, this looks like it's one of our minis. This is the Tarte Mandator Double Duty Liquid Liner. And I think I'm gonna keep it in the pack because I have so many liners. I'll probably add this into a future giveaway. I might even have this one. Let me check my drawer really quick. Nope, I thought I did, but first, like I just did a quick glance, I didn't see that in there, but I feel like I've tried this before. I don't know, if you guys have tried it, let me know. Next up, I recognize the outside of this palette. This is what it looks like. I think this was an option in a past BoxyCharm maybe, but I didn't get it. Oh, I'm so glad I got this. So this is both a face and an eye palette. Okay, I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure like Jen Loves Reviews really likes this. So this looks like a great everyday palette. So you've got like neutral eyeshadows, and you have a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight, and a big mirror. Oh man, I'm really happy about this. And I love the packaging. I remember seeing like potential spoilers. This must have been just a few months ago, right? In BoxyCharm, maybe it was like a Boxy Luxe, but I got like the Tarte Avenue Princess instead. But I'm super happy with this. This is something that would be perfect for travel because it has everything you need pretty much. Eyeshadow and all your face products. I mean, obviously you need to like bring your like foundation or whatever, but this looks great. I'm super happy. This is like making the box for me. Great. Next up, it looks like we have a mascara. This is the Tarte Tartist Lash Paint Mascara. I don't think I've used this mascara before. I've tried like their Lights Camera Action one. Is that like the one that's in the purple tubing? And I have their Big Ego mascara I got in a BoxyCharm, which I honestly haven't used much. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna open it. Someone said like, I opened so many things. They're like, stop opening your mascaras and eyeliners every video, so I won't do that now. Potentially I might put this in a giveaway since I have so many mascaras, but yeah, I've never tried this. Again, if you've tried any of these products that I'm opening, I would love to hear your thoughts on them. It looks like we have one more thing, and then there's like a card in here that talks about what's inside, I guess. So the last thing, this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash Lipstick in Colada. I love the packages of these, the Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks. I recently received one in one of my boxes. I'm kind of blanking on what one right now. Oh, and this is like a pretty nude color. Hopefully it's not like too nude for me. I'm gonna swatch it. Too nude for me is like looking like concealer lips, but no, this is pretty. I like that. Alright, so let's do a quick recap, and then I'm going to look up all the prices online to see if we can come up with that $130. But we did get 3 full-size items, including a face palette like they said, and it's actually a face and eye palette. This has totally made the box for me. I think this is so pretty. And I don't think I said the name of this. This is the Clay Play Must Have Eye and Cheek Palette. And again, this is what it looks like. And then our other full-size products include the Tartist Mascara and the Rainforest of the Sea Lipstick in Colada, which I do think is a pretty shade. And then our 2 travel size products are the Double Duty Liquid Liner and the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. And our makeup bag right here, which I think is really cute. So overall, I'm really happy with these products, but let me do a little digging and get the price of each item. Alright, so I was able to find all of the items online. They actually sell the mini sizes too, so that was really easy. So let's start out with the face palette, which totally made this bag for me. So this Clay Play Must Have Eye and Cheek palette is $45. So that makes up almost all of what I paid. And then the Tartist Lash Paint Mascara, this is $23. The lipstick in Colada, this is $21. And then for the travel size, the Rainforest of the Sea, whatever it's called, Drink of H2O, is $14, and the mini liner is $12. I was not able to find the actual makeup bag online, but the total for all 5 makeup products came out to be $115. So judging by what you think of this bag's value, I do think it's like good quality. It has like an inner lining that you could tell like would help prevent any spills, hopefully, if anything's spilled in your bag. I'm not sure if it's $15 or not. I was just looking on their website to see if they sell individual bags, and their sister brand, Sugar Rush, does, and they sell them from $10 to $15, so it is possible that that is $15, bringing our total to $130. So for me, I spent $54, and the palette for sure I will use, the lipstick, and the moisturizer. The other 3 items I may put in a giveaway, but I think I did get my money's worth. I am really happy I got this face palette because honestly I don't think I would have gone out of my way to purchase it myself, but I've heard great things about it. I'm pretty sure from Jen Love's reviews and from other people that received it in their BoxyCharm. I think this will be a great travel palette. And yeah, I cannot wait to use it. I think that like bronzer shade will work too. I want to do a little swatch. Oh, it feels so nice. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's like too warm or anything like that. I think I could do like a lot of pretty easy on the go looks with this. So happy with this. Yeah, I'm excited to try the lipstick too. And I love that the skincare item, like, okay, normally I don't really like trust like makeup brands for their skincare. Like I usually go for like skincare only brands, but it does have a lot of good ingredients. I love hyaluronic acid and squalene, so I'm definitely going to try it out. And overall, I am happy with this box. So you guys have to let me know if you received this, did we get the same items? Because I'm not sure if everyone does or not. And if you are interested, again, I will leave the link down below. Anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.